Boy, people, I don't know what go on, you know. I don't know what go on. Somebody from over there have got to tell me. Somebody link me up, please. When I need to contact somebody from Trinidad, them need to get to me because I don't know. How police running pan Buju, but running in a motel room and what am I search for? Remember the man done go drive a long time, you know. And the driving thing done with and the man done doing 10 years already, you know. Seen? So the man travel go to one place to go do a show. It's like this man can't move in peace as him go up on a plane and make a one move, go somewhere in the world. CIA, Babylon, all kind of people. I watch this man. You know what I mean? Him not gonna make the same mistake again. He's a wiser man. Him not gonna make the same mistake. See? So somebody have got to tell me how I go on, cause if a little ganja, them need to lower the Rasta. You understand? And then the Rasta bring positive music. You know what I mean? Album could have soon drop on beer things and you don't know what I go on. The single Hot, it a go on with beer things. Zin? So people, we need to comment. We need to tell me. We need more information. Cause all I can say is the artists forward are not taking place. Whole heap of people in the world want to see the artists. You know what I mean? Them spend their money to go to concerts. You know what I mean? To see this man. So when he reach in the country, we welcome the artists. Welcome the artists. You know what I mean? Buju Banton, big up yourself, my general. See, I love what you are doing at the streets where you touch out. You see me? I love how you resonate with the people and I touch forward and I touch base with the people. You know, stay away from the people. Because watch, you know, what day I see ya ready, you know. Zin, what day I see ya ready, you are going with beer vibes coming dead up on the ground. Zin, big up some ancient ones, you big up some selector where I hold it out from long time and you drop some authentic reggae music. You see me I say, yeah man, some hit song and I tell you some can feel it, because watch you know. When me a youth, me a big man now, you know, but from me a youth, me a listen Buju Banton. And a high energy, you know what I mean? Them man they not change, you know what I mean? We have to respect ones like them, you know what I mean? Them man not change, it remain the same. Zin? So, I want to know, you know what I mean, my people them, because I don't know what kind of Babylon want to take set from the Rasta, you know. Because Rasta not live in a tenement yard, you know. Make them know what go on, a real vibes this, see? So people don't know it's a grizzly bear and a beer vibes, you know. You know what I mean? So all more you have to do, like, share and subscribe. Zin.